Good morning. I love this quiet and peaceful morning.
It feels nice to relax at home with my family.
Anna, look, my toy car is very fast. Wow, I like it. Let's play together.
This family photo shows a happy moment together.
I love sitting together like this.
Me too. Family time is the best.
Peter and Anna look so happy when they play.
It is a good day.
Yes, it feels warm and calm.
Anna, hold my hand. Okay, Peter.
The living room feels warm and full of love.
It's time to wake up and start the day. Cold water helps me feel fresh. This coffee smells very good. I am ready for work now. The road is quiet this morning. I need to focus on my work. I'm home. I miss my family. It's nice to sit together after a long day. Peter, try again. You can do it.
Okay, Dad.
You did great, Anna.
Thank you, Dad.
I want to cook something nice for my family.
The food is cooking slowly and smells good.
I will prepare lunch for everyone. Dinner is ready. Let's eat together. Baking makes me feel relaxed. A clean kitchen feels good. These plants need some water.
Plants and flowers make the home feel alive.
I love watching my children play. This is a quiet and peaceful moment.
I like drawing with many colors. My car is going very fast. I can run very fast. This is so fun. I am tired, but I feel happy. Look, my tower is very tall. I love you, Mom.
I love you too.
My doll is my best friend. I want my doll to look nice. I like coloring flowers. This color is very pretty. Let's build it together. Yes, that's fun. Hee hee, that is funny. Dad, look at this.
That's very nice, Anna.
I feel a little shy.
Let's eat breakfast together.
Yes. Let's sit down.
Breakfast looks warm and healthy.
I had a funny dream last night. Really? Tell me more.
That is very funny.
I like mornings like this. Dinner smells great.
I'm happy you like it.
I understand.
Thank you for listening. Eat slowly, my loves.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Peter.
I feel relaxed now.
Me too.
The evening feels calm and quiet.
I like sitting here. Me too.
The family feels safe and close.
Let's take a walk together.
That sounds nice.
Mom, Dad, hold my hand. Me too.
Catch me if you can.
I'm running.
Smile, everyone.
Wow, I'm flying.
Hold tight.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, Anna.
This is a good day.
Yes, it really is.
The family comes home together.
Today was special.
Yes, very special.
This family shares love, warmth, and happiness.